Hi, friends! Today, we will learn about animal homes. We'll learn with a song. Let's sing and find out where animals live. Are you ready? Let's go!
Dog kennel, cow shed, bird nest, rabbit burrow, hen's coop, bees hive, ant, anthill, rat hole, pig sty, lion den, horse stable, sheep pen,